40 amazing uses of baking soda that most people don't know. Many of us keep a box of baking soda in the pantry for cooking and baking. But it's one of those simple household items that can do a lot more than people realize. It can help with cleaning, deodorizing, laundry, pet, car, and outdoor messes. And it even has some personal care uses. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and gentle enough for many everyday applications. Without further ado, here are 40 amazing ways to use baking soda around the house. Starting in the kitchen. One of the most annoying things we all have to face is stained mugs, whether it's from coffee or tea. Thankfully, scrubbing with a simple paste of baking soda and water can help lift those brown stains without needing anything too harsh. Baking soda is also useful for cleaning greasy messes. Sprinkle a little on a damp sponge to help loosen greasy residue on dishes, pans, or washable kitchen surfaces. You can even add some to the dishwasher when you need a little extra cleaning power. Another great use is cleaning sinks and garbage disposals. Sprinkle baking soda directly into the sink, scrub it around, and rinse to remove grime and odors. For the garbage disposal, sprinkle some inside, let it sit briefly, then rinse while running the disposal. Of course, one of the most common kitchen uses for baking soda is deodorizing the refrigerator. Place an open box or small dish of baking soda in the fridge to help absorb stale food smells. Replace it regularly so it keeps working well. You can also use it to deodorize plastic food containers. If a container smells like onions, garlic, or leftovers, fill it with warm water and add baking soda. Let it soak for a while, then wash as usual. And if you're washing firm produce, like apples, cucumbers, or potatoes, use a little baking soda to scrub away the dirt more easily. Moving on to the laundry. Baking soda can help here too. If the armpits of your white shirts are looking dingy, make a thick paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to the affected area and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes before washing. Adding baking soda directly to the wash cycle can help reduce those sour, musty, or stale odors in clothing and towels. It also softens hard water, which may help detergents work better. Okay, let's look at some bathroom uses. Did you know that baking soda makes an excellent scrub for bathtubs and sinks? Sprinkle it on a damp sponge and use it to clean soap scum and light buildup. Or make a paste to clean shower walls and tiles. And while you're at it, scrub your shower curtain with baking soda and water to remove gunk. It will look and smell much fresher. Another often neglected item in the bathroom is the toothbrush holder. It can accumulate toothpaste residue and grime very quickly. Scrub it with baking soda regularly to keep it clean and hygienic. You can use baking soda to clean combs and brushes, too. Soak them in warm water with baking soda to loosen oils, hair products, and build up. And before wrapping it up in the bathroom, we shouldn't forget about the biggest source of bathroom odors, the trash can. Sprinkling a little baking soda in the bottom of the bin before adding the bag can make a noticeable difference. Now, let's go around the rest of the home. Starting with a lesser-known use for baking soda, freshening drawers. Put a small amount in a breathable pouch or small open container and place it inside a drawer. This helps absorb musty smells from clothing, linens, or storage spaces. Another classic use is deodorizing carpets. Sprinkle baking soda lightly over the carpet. Let it sit, then vacuum thoroughly. It helps absorb odors from pets, shoes, food, and everyday living. It can also freshen upholstery. Sprinkle a light layer on fabric furniture. Let it sit, and then vacuum it up. This same trick works on mattresses as well when they need a little refresh. If you have vinyl flooring, mix baking soda with water and use it for cleaning light grime. Just be sure to rinse the floor afterward so that no powdery residue is left behind. Speaking of flooring, scrubbing with baking soda paste can help clean those dirty grout lines. It's a simple way to brighten them without strong fumes. Furthermore, you can use baking soda paste to remove silver tarnish. Gently polish your silver items, then rinse and dry well. Avoid using it on delicate antiques or pieces with fragile finishes. And if you have old vases, baking soda can help remove residue and stale water odors. Add baking soda and water. Let it sit, then scrub or shake gently. All right, let's talk about some pet-related uses. When it comes to pets, some smells are unavoidable, but you can help minimize them. For instance, sprinkling a little baking soda under the kitty litter can reduce odors between cleanings. For pet accidents, start by cleaning the area, blotting up as much moisture as possible, then sprinkle baking soda over the spot. Let it dry completely before vacuuming. But that's not all. Baking soda can freshen dogs' coats, too. Lightly sprinkle a small amount onto their coat, brush it through, and remove the excess. Be careful around their eyes, nose, and mouth. You can also scrub pet toys with baking soda and water, then rinse them really well. This helps remove dirt, saliva, and pet smells. Next up, garage, car, patio, and outdoor uses. Because baking soda can even tackle some of the dirtier jobs around the house. For example, it can help with fresh oil spots on concrete. Add a generous amount over the area, then scrub and rinse. To loosen greasy buildup and stuck-on food on grill grates, scrub with baking soda paste. Or use baking soda paste to clean your garden tools. Just be sure to dry the tools well afterward to help prevent rust. You can also wipe plastic or metal outdoor furniture with baking soda paste to remove dirt and grime. It can clean outdoor trash bins, too. Wash the inside with baking soda and water to remove smells and residue. This is especially useful during hot weather. Baking soda is a handy cleaner for pool toys as well. Give them a good scrub to remove grime from outdoor use. For the car, baking soda is excellent for freshening fabric seats. Sprinkle it lightly, let it sit, and then vacuum it up. This helps reduce stale smells from food, pets, or everyday use. If you love camping, use a baking soda paste to scrub soot, grease, or food residue from camp pots and pans. You can also wash the inside of your coolers with baking soda and water to remove food, drink, or mildew smells. Leave the lid open while it dries. And don't forget to clean water bottles or canteens. Give them a good soak in warm water and baking soda to remove stale odors. Rinse thoroughly before drinking from them again. Finally, let's look at a few personal care uses. If you worry about bad breath, mix a small amount of baking soda with water. Swish and spit it out. You can also soak your toothbrush in a baking soda solution, then rinse it well. Removable dental appliances can also be soaked this way, as long as they're rinsed thoroughly afterward. If you have smelly feet, add some baking soda to warm water for a simple foot soak. It can help reduce odor and leave your feet feeling cleaner. Baking soda is also great for deodorizing sneakers. Sprinkle some inside your shoes and leave them overnight. Then shake it out in the morning. What's more, baking soda makes a gentle yet effective exfoliator. Rub a light paste on dry skin, rinse, and moisturize afterward. For mild sunburn discomfort, add some baking soda to cool bath water. It helps soothe the skin temporarily. Just be gentle and avoid scrubbing sunburned areas. Thanks for watching. If you found these baking soda tips and tricks helpful, please like and share the video. It really helps the channel. For more simple household hacks, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.